Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can fix Spotify application playing random songs on your Spotify playlist. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's video, we are going to learn on how to fix Spotify playing random songs on the Spotify playlist. So this issue is actually really common, but don't worry, this isn't actually an issue which you want to worry about, because we have brought you a simple fix and a solution on how you can fix if your Spotify application plays random songs from the playlist. First of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have downloaded the Spotify application to your device. If you have not yet downloaded the Spotify application, you want to simply open your respective app store on your Android or your iOS. Go ahead and type in Spotify and then download the first application which comes up on the list. As you download the application, you will simply open Spotify and make sure that you are actually logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, let's say that you are trying to listen to a playlist right over here, any random playlist. As you open any random playlist and then I try to play a song, after the song finishes, it plays any random song from this playlist. So maybe you are having the same issue as well. So in order to fix that, what you want to do is simply play any song right over here. Once you play the song, at the bottom left hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this arrow icon which is currently in green. It means that the shuffle play is actually on Spotify. If it is highlighted in green, you want to simply turn it off by simply pressing on it once. Once you tap on it, the shuffle play is going to be turned off and it will play directly the next song after this when this song completes. So if you are listening to this song, if your shuffle play is on, then it would have played any random song over here. But if your shuffle play is off, then it is going to play the next song which is right below that. So this is actually not a really issue you want to worry about, because we brought you a very simple solution. So in this way, you can really easily fix if your Spotify has been playing random songs on the Spotify playlist. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in our next video.